Hello, my name is Linda Remmen. My name is Janne Remmen, and we're from the Image Academy. Today we're going to show you a tutorial how to make a scary smiley on Erika. We're going to start with a ball cap. This is a vinyl ball cap. Just to make the hair not be a part of the special effects. Just gonna make a little bow here so that you can find her face. You can use latex or any material you want to. It doesn't have to be vinyl. And it doesn't matter with the edges, we're gonna glue latex over them. We're just gonna make sure so that the hair is protected. And then we're gonna glue it on with some Process. It's just a normal adhesive. The thing with Process is that it sticks when it's dry. So you have to dry it before you can attach the ball cap. So here you see it's a little bit white. It means it's not dry, so you have to use a hair dryer. Right? On this special effect, we don't need the ears, so we're just going to glue it inside the ball cap. Now we start on the Scary Smiley face. We have latex. We have Kleenex. Just a bunch of soft tissues. We take the Kleenex. We rip off the edges. We don't want any right edges. Just gonna take off the straight edges. Yeah, straight edges. And so just gonna take off the edges. And here you see like it's folded, so I'm just gonna make this a little bit less straight. And of course, we also divide it in two, so you only have this like very thin paper. And of course, we are prepared. So I already did that with a bunch of papers. And what we're going to do first is that we are going to put some latex on the skin. Then press the paper on it and put the latex through the paper. And it's important that you have a lot of latex on your sponge so that it really soaks the paper. If not, you're just going to get it on the surface. to put several layers of paper and latex on the skin now. When you're gonna have a new layer, the first layer needs to be dry before you do the next. If not, the latex, the moisture of the latex can't vaporize through new latex. That's why we need to dry it first. Put the hair dryer so that you don't put, so that the air doesn't go into her eyes or nose. This is because of the ammonia that comes of it. Before we proceed with the makeup, we're gonna put some tape over the eyes, making a small part that she can see through. We're also gonna do it on the nose to make it flatter, so that it gets more, the face gets more round. Continuing with the latex over the tape. We're gonna build up this mask, several layers, so that when we're finished we can take it off the face, so it can be used several times. We're gonna make some holes for the smiley mouth. I'm gonna take it all the way up here. So now I can use the scissor, or I can just use the spatula to make some holes here on the side. Doesn't matter if they're like a little bit rough, because we're gonna paint them with black. So the next next thing we're gonna do is to powder the latex. This is kind of sticky now, so just gonna powder it down so latex doesn't get stuck to the latex. The next thing we're gonna do is start coloring the mask. We're gonna first use some wrap to make the surface have a little bit more temperature. And then use this color. And we're gonna take it on with a stipple sponge. I'm just cutting off the edges of the stipple sponge so that there are no sharp and square edges. This is probably gonna look a little bit strange when it's like this, but after this we're gonna take some color cake sticks, and then it's just gonna be some red seen through it, so it looks like it's skin. And the reason why we're using alcohol-based red is because we don't want it to mix with the makeup that we're putting on after this. Then it's gonna get pink, and we don't want that. It's just going to be some red color that you can see through the foundation. And now we're going to start putting on the foundation color. I have some cream sticks from Bellina here. It's just normal skin tone. I'm going to put it on with a sponge. And remember to mix it on the plate so that you don't get chunks of makeup in the face. Use a brush to just get this makeup into all the different cracks and stuff that's going on in the face here. So the texture can be a little bit rough. We're also going to make some more texture because this is now too flat. So we're going to put on some more alcohol colors in minutes. Next thing we're going to do, I'm going to put some powder on it. And now we're going to do something that we Norwegians call flicking. I'm going to have a toothbrush or a painting brush with alcohol colors. I'm going to flick it on the skin. a mixture of a green tone and a brown tone. It's called Green Grass and Muddy Waters from the Grunge palette. You just like click it on the skin so that it comes in small splatters and it breaks up the surface so it seems more natural. Also putting some dark colors around the mouth, coloring her skin on the inside with a dark color. You can use grease paint for this too. The mask is finished. We're gonna actually sew some stitches on it, but that's what we're gonna do when we have taken it off the face. We want her to be able to use the mask several times. That's why we're taking it off now. If she just wants to use it one time, we can make stitches with makeup here, but then she has to throw it away.